This video is just a quick and updated amendment to the tutorial for the Quads tool in 3D Codes 3 Topology Workspace. Previously, we covered this tool in depth, but Andrew has recently released a small addition that makes it a little bit more efficient to use. Let me demonstrate quickly. If I use the Add and Split tool, to create some geometry and right mouse button click over a vertex, then I can manipulate it. Right click and drag to tweak its position. Same thing with points and faces. Can right mouse button click over a vertex and modify it or tweak it. And even with the strokes tool. Can right mouse button click with that tool active and tweak it after I've generated a mesh. However, with the Quads tool, previously when you hover over an edge, you could right mouse button click and drag, but you did not have the ability, like the other tools, to hover over a vertex and manipulate it. So what that effectively meant is you would constantly have to step out of the tool and use something else, and that can be a little bit annoying. So now you can hover over a vertex, and you can also hover over an edge. The main reason why you have the ability to manipulate an edge is because this tool is essentially an edge extrusion tool. So again, I'll click here, and that's really all it is, just an edge extrusion tool of sorts. Undo. But once more, now you can manipulate your vertices at the same time. It's a very small addition, but again, in the right situation, that was quite annoying and made it a little bit inefficient. So now you no longer have to switch tools. You can just keep working with the Quads tool if you like. So that's a quick amendment for the Quads tool. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.